Hello, and welcome to my simple low health detection with OpenCV in Python. The content shown involves blood and a first-person shooter game, so viewer discretion is advised. We are currently working on the Illumiroom project, a system in which the view around a TV can be expanded using a projector placed in front of or behind the user, and more additional information and context can be provided to the person playing games. I hope to set up a system in which in shooter games or games where you may take damage, the system can infer context from the live gameplay footage, as shown here. We have a player taking damage in this version of Call of Duty, and the projector will project some kind of red colour or red image around the player, around the TV, to further show the player that they're taking damage and that they should take cover. I developed this system with help from this video by Giovanni Code. It explained how to use OpenCV and how to extract video from a video file or from live video content. I'll include a link to his video in the description. The system works by drawing two bounding boxes around the display video signal, which is coming directly from the monitor. As you can see, we have the two bounding boxes here. And then it uses a k-means clustering to calculate the most common colour or set of colours within the image, and then the top most popular color we then display on this screen here in the dominant colors, and we look at the red channel, and if it's higher than a certain threshold, then we display the word dying. This implies that the color of the screen is red, the player is most likely dying. Let's have a look at some gameplay footage. So this is just some gameplay footage which I've recorded. It's me playing, not particularly well. And now we can see what the bounding box is and what the display actually looks like. So we can see dying gets displayed along with the RGB colours when the system believes that the player is dying. Okay, let's have a look at some still images to understand what's going on. So here we have just a player in a room. They're not taking any damage, they've got perfectly normal health. And then the bounding boxes show, again, we're looking at the left side of the screen and the right side of the screen. So you can see the wall and the minimap. You can sort of see both of those in the bounding boxes. And on the right we can see just the RGB values are shown, not that the player is dying. Meanwhile, in this image, we can see that the player is low health. It's got the red markings on the screen, it means that they're dying, they've been hit. And here the bounding boxes have quite a lot of red in them. So the overall average colour in the images is red. An RGB value, an R value of 67 is shown, and it shows that the player is dying. And now in this still image, the screen is very red, the player is clearly very low on health. And once again, in the bounding boxes, a red is shown and shows that the player is dying. I'll now finish with some gameplay with the OpenCV window overlaid, just so you can see what's going on. You'll see when it shows that the player is dying, and I'll see you at the end. Thank you very much for watching. All the relevant links to the YouTube video and any GitHub repos which I think are relevant, I'll include in the description. Hope you enjoyed and have a great day. All gameplay footage, of course, is my own.